Hi guys. Let's start with Telegram. Telegram Messenger is a secure messaging application, available for free on Play Store, Windows Phone as well as on computer. Couriers are not only means of communication. Many people use it to earn a lot of money with it. Telegram makes it possible to monetize a channel, but subscribers enrich it. You can legally have subscribers for your channel by contacting the All SMM site, which provides you with live and active subscribers, but try to do so only if your account is at risk of blocking it. 1. Create your channel. With your channel, you can share the maximum of information with a large number of users. Your channel can be directed by an administrator, you or an additional administrator. Only administrators have permission to write messages signed by the channel's name to their subscribers. Before you start your Telegram channel, you have to create its content and complete the following tasks. Choose a title, catchy corresponding to its content, otherwise no one will subscribe to this channel. A description, clear and succinct, allows the user to have an idea about its content and purpose. A logo, attractive, depending on the subject chosen for this channel. You will have to feed your channel regularly with a constant flow of information. Otherwise, your subscribers will start disconnecting from it. A few tips. Your own content, no copy-paste but adding something special to you. Automatic services, it is important to use them as much as possible. The title of the publication must be catchy and authentic. Advertising campaigns, before launching your advertising campaign, you have to analyze the competition. 2. Security. Telegram provides maximum privacy to its users. In addition to double-layer encryption, Telegram uses self-destructing messaging from 1 minute to 1 week after reading. These messages will be viewed only while the mobile message is not stored in the cloud. 3. The cloud. That's why Telegram does not slow down the mobile. You can also download your files safely. 4. Bot Telegram. Bots are very popular. It allows you to organize subscriptions, automatic sales and information sharing. The creation of a bot on Telegram is of great benefit for your business because they reduce errors that can be made by people, forget reminders, calendar, research. There are 2 types of bots that you can use on Telegram. Game bots, games that make money by buying services. Investment bots, or cloud mining to maximize your investment gains. Cloud mining sites use bots. Just open the bot and start making money, bitcoins or dollars. But watch out for fraudsters because you risk losing your money. Look for the reliability of the site as well as the opinions of internet users and sites specialized in this area. 5. Money transfer. Telegram is a good secure way to transfer money via its Money Talk bot, which allows you to send, receive money. 6. Trade promotion. To develop your small business, you can count on Telegram, which is an effective means of communication between you, your customers, your partners and all members of the community. Telegram is ideal for launching marketing campaigns, informing about discounts and new products. You can even create your own stickers and put them in your campaign. How should I operate Telegram? Like all marketers, you must use all channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and instant messengers, to reach the public. Instant messengers, like Telegram, have their plus for marketing. Conclusion. In short, Telegram has demonstrated its popularity, success and security without forgetting its cloud. Enjoy Telegram and let your product know. Good luck. That's all for today. See you in another video.